If your ASUS laptop touchpad suddenly stops working and the cursor disappears, don't panic. This problem happens more often than you might think, and it usually has a simple fix. First, press the Start key on your keyboard. That's typically the key between Control and Alt on the left side. Start typing touchpad, and you should see touchpad settings appear in the search results. Press Enter to open it. Now, even if you can't see your cursor, you can still navigate the settings window using your keyboard. Press the Tab key several times until the toggle for the touchpad is highlighted. You'll know it's selected because the focus box or outline will move onto it. Once it's highlighted, press the spacebar to turn the touchpad back on. This should immediately restore your cursor and get your touchpad working again. If that doesn't work, it's a good idea to check your device manager. Press Start, type Device Manager, and open it. Look under Mice and other pointing devices for your touchpad driver. Right-click it and choose Update Driver or Uninstall Device, then restart your laptop. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver, which often fixes lingering issues. You can also visit the ASUS support website to download the latest touchpad drivers specific to your laptop model. Finally, make sure Windows itself is updated, because system updates sometimes include touchpad or driver fixes. Following these steps carefully should get your touchpad and cursor back to normal quickly.